Do you guys remember the project that I started over 1 month ago? Well, I'm shutting it down. Did you know that 88% of all data science projects fail? This isn't just my number, this is the number from numerous research that have been conducted over the last 5 years. I decided to share with you all my failures, so hopefully it helps you guys to not make the same mistakes when you guys are starting your data science project. The problem actually started over a week ago. If you see that's me, and I was trying to move my model from my local system to a cloud-based system. I initially had plans to move my model to one of these three cloud-based platforms, but ended up choosing either Google Colab or Microsoft Azure. The big problem here was the price point. If you see, Google Colab Pro comes with $50 per month, while on Microsoft Azure it's pay as you go. A simple calculation yielded me the fact that I had to spend just over $450 a month to just maintain this model. This was completely not feasible for me to spend over $450 just to maintain a code, and also something that is not going to give me any return. Well, that was my first mistake. I jumped straight into this project without calculating all the resources that I will need, and hopefully you guys also don't do that.
If you see, another important problem with respect to deep learning projects is that there's always ongoing research. Whenever I try to finalize on getting a good result from this GAN project that I was trying to build, I was still not able to do it. What I should technically have done is that instead of just jumping into the project directly, I should have spent some time understanding the various research articles that are out there and how much of this is actually productized. So if I had done that, I wouldn't have started with this project at all, because there isn't enough research on this area. So that's your second lesson. Make sure to always check out if whatever you're looking for is out there. Similar looking projects are not going to help when it comes to data science projects, especially deep learning and machine learning based ones. One of the important things that I go by is to always think in a product oriented approach. If you take any project that you do and think about how I can make this into a product that a customer can use, then you are thinking in the right direction. And with data science projects, like we saw in the introduction, close to 88% of these data science projects fail primarily because it can't be made into a product. One of the important reasons again here is the fact that research articles aren't equal to a finished product. I spent so much amount of time understanding how to make this product work that I did not factor into account that this was still under a very important research stage. So hopefully in the coming years, and with improving GPU and resources that are out there, this project might actually work.
Pre-planning before starting this data science project might have taken quite some time, but it have actually helped me from not failing after putting so much effort in this project. The intention for making this video in particular was to help you guys understand that it is okay to fail with data science projects, and these are different aspects that you should consider before starting one. And if you're thinking the main reason for me to shut down this project was the cost, it was so high that I was not going to be getting any return, and I did not want to invest in a pet project at this point of time. And for the final point, do not forget to check out these two videos that are coming right here from the same series and subscribe.